Okay, we're up early cycling towards Stein am Rhein, the town of Stein on the Rhine River, and we've come across this huge big dairy farm concern, and they have this enormous biodigester you see on the left there, and you can hear it heating something up there, and to the right we have a big pile of sawdust, so they must mix that in with the slurry or the manure from the cattle, and it produces gas, methane gas, which they're using on the farm.
Well, oh my goodness, I doubt if you'll hear me above the water wheel. Look at all those boats out there. And this is the Rhine Fall. It is spectacular. I've seen it on the television, but it's fabulous, really. Wow. I'm not sure if you can see those people up on that rock. I have no idea how they get there. I'm dying to see them get down. Needless to say, there's quite a few tourists here. Quite noisy. That is beautiful. Here we are at Stein am Rhein, and it's starting to rain. It's about 7 o'clock at night, and I heard thunder a few minutes ago. So we've got a hotel, thank God. Otherwise we would have been wild camping again. It's absolutely packed here during the day, but tonight now it's fairly quiet. Just peeking in the windows, some of the shops, they're shut now. There's the Swiss cuckoo clocks and a little Swiss outfit for a little girl, and plenty of more little knickknacks. And all your Swiss knives, etc. Not sure you'd get that back into Tasmania that easily. All beautifully made, of course. And in case you haven't seen enough clocks, here's some more. Well, here we are.
Hang on, we've got to unlock the bike.
Oh, yes. Pouring rain. Beautiful little garden here. Nice house. I think they're Italian, but very comfortable stay. And Al is in his Switzerland poncho. It's the only one I could find. All other shops are shut. They don't open until about 10 o'clock here. So. We're just unlocking our bikes and we're off. And the good news is we have accommodation booked in the next place, which is Constance. I do sound very vague, but Al has all the GPS and directions on his phone, and I just take the videos. Most of them. And he's got us.
Remember the ones that I can pronounce.
Yeah.
All over my finger. Yeah, is that nice?
Gentle.
Oh, look at that. She's sucking.
Oh, look at that.
Look at that. Then she bite my hand off, Buffalo girl.
Oh, she's loving the salt.
Oh, yeah. Buffalo girl, hey? You get a teeth in that one.
Very good.
Mozzarella cheese. There is a bull over there. So.
We'll have to have it for lunch.
Oh, she's a good girl, isn't she, hey?
There's quite a herd of them.
Buffalo girl.
Oh, some tongue.
Hey? You little beauties. Bethy the buffalo.
Just met a lovely lady over from Florida who's 70 in a few weeks' time and is cycling all on her own. Yeah, she was very well set up. Beautiful bike, everything. Yeah, everything you could wish for. And she's staying in apartments mainly through booking.com, but the last one she paid 120 Swiss francs. When she came to check out, they charged her 60 for cleaning. So she was there one night. So something to think about. Or be careful for. Morning, it stopped raining, so we may as well start taking off.
So we're riding along the railway track here out of Stein am Rhein towards Constance or Lake Constance, and we've come across all these orchards here. We just passed about a kilometre back all of these espaliered pears with black currants behind them in the open, and now we've got raspberries. There's what looks like joster berries further back, gooseberries, all the other berries, huckleberries. So what a setup. So they're protected from not only the hot sun but also from hailstones and I suppose frost as well. Beautiful. And the birds, of course.
Yeah, and I've got a little train coming. They're tiny. Oh, it's bigger than the last one.
Quiet too.
And they're on time. Every time. Nice Swiss flag there to remind us we're still in Switzerland. And
well,
caught up to Al.
this poncho probably looks ridiculous. In fact, I know it looks it. But in a practical sense, it's fantastic. It's like a sail with the wind behind me, and it's like a big spinnaker, and it's really sending along this flat downhill.
So that's why you're going so fast.
That's why I'm going so fast.
Little farm shop. Einfahrt.
Einfahrt eggs.
Oh dear God. Oh. Beautiful. Oh. Yep. And it's right by a stream, so it's looking fairly full. at the moment. This is one of the little towns that we are cycling through. It's on Lake Constance, and all the ferries zip around. But look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Look at the garden. All you garden lovers. So this is the last month of spring, so it's just gorgeous. Got a little stream going through to down to the lake. There's the lake just there. And of course the other side is just as pretty. Oh, I wasn't talking about you, Al. Lovely. We're just on our way to Constance and we're having a little pit stop. It's school holidays, so there's no one here, and it's wet, kind of cold weather, so we're just having a little drink and a few crackers and cheese. Have the little shed out.
Oh my gosh, the larch house. There's a bloomin' cafe. What a beautiful place. I must admit I have a soft spot for Switzerland. Anne's got her zebra stripes on today. Oh, everywhere you look, it's something different. Cyclists everywhere. And the motorists are so courteous too. Probably don't deserve it, but they are very nice. What's that, Anne? Yeah, Anne's still looking for a coffee. She's only human. Sorry about the noise of my brakes, folks. I think I need to replace a couple of brake pads on the bike. Anne's bike's going very well. The wind has just come. Here's one of the ferry terminals. Umatingen. Oops. The marina. So these are some of the boats we used to go on Euro-rail, and it included the boats as well. And you can see inside there with the dining area of it. Beautiful. Fantastic trip it was too. I remember it was about 15 years ago when we came over with Alison. She was only a teenager. Anne insisted I get a photo of the sculpture.
I did not.
Yes, you did.
Girls and boys. Oh, sorry for disturbing you.
We've got the mozzies that we do. They are mozzies, I think.
I think they are, but I haven't been bitten yet.
Just flew away yet.
Okay, we'll leave.